Good morning, student. Welcome to our physics practical class. Already we learned about the laws of reflection of light. Today we are verifying the laws of reflection of the light by a plane mirror. First of all, I have to say about writing of the file. How will you write the practical file? When you start to write the practical file, always you use one type of ink, either black or blue, to make the prominent of the headings. Same color of ink you use. Maybe you use sketch pen for the headings and any ball pen for the other writing. And for the white page, like this, I'm showing you the white pages. That white page, in this white page you always use pencil. Make the border with the pencil and do the practical work with the pencil also. Okay, for the verification of laws of reflection of light, what is the aim of the experiment? I am telling to you to verify the laws of reflection. Now for these we know the laws of reflection. We know that there are two laws of reflection of light in a plane surface, that is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, and the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. We will prove this once today practically. For that, what we require? A plane mirror mounted by a stand vertically, a drawing board, a drawing sheet, 4 drawing pens, 4 large pens, protectors, pencil and scale. Now, which method we are following? I am showing you. You see, first of all, we draw a line. We draw a straight line on the paper. Okay? Then with the protector, we draw one normal on this line. After that, to see the protector, we draw a particular angle, that is maybe 30 degree or 40 degree. Which one is known? That is why we don't use the minutes or seconds, only total degree. First of all, I draw one angle, which one is 30 degree. That is angle of incidence. I am showing you in the paper in the angle of incidence, that is the 30 degree. And then on the line we are mounted the plane mirror. We place the plane mirror on it. Okay, on the plane mirror we place, then we place one pin at the normal, one pin at the normal. Okay, then 2 pins on the incident ray. We place 2 pins on the incident ray. See, actually I don't have that board, so I am facing little bit problem to show you because it is very hard. I try to make it. See, is not going inside, it is rusted. Okay, now it is on the mirror. Just I am showing you. And then by seeing these two paints through the mirror, I have to place the third paint through the mirror. I have to see and then place this is the reflected ray of these two pins. This is the reflected ray where I place the two pins. This way I place the pins. Now what to do? We just make round on the pin points. Okay? Then we take out the pins. We draw the lines. Always we have to place this is the incident ray. So we place the arrow towards the mirror. And this is the reflected ray. We place the arrow away from the mirror. So this way we have to draw the angle of incidence and angle of reflection through the reflected ray. Okay, now with the protector we have to see that once both the angles are equal. This proves the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Now this is one. Second angle also we have to draw with our protector, and maybe it is not maybe, we are sure that this angle of incidence is 40 degree. In same way we have to find out the reflected ray through the mirror. Now I am showing you, we will get this type of figure. Here, how many angle of incidence? 4 angle of incidence and 4 angle of reflection. Okay, this is our practical work. You draw it in the separate sheet, like this way, the separate sheet. This separate sheet you paste it in your practical copy. And I am giving the study material here. I will supply you. From there you draw that one. Next step, what we will do, you draw this type of table. You will get this type of table. Here what is in the table? Number of observation, first, second, third, fourth, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. With that angle of incidence and angle of reflection, we draw a graph. From the graph we find out the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. There also we have to see that once angle of incidence and angle of reflections are same. Which one? The x-axis is the known axis. That means the angle of incidence always we write on the x-axis. And angle of reflection, which one is the unknown, which one we find out through our experiment, that one we are write on the y-axis. Then one straight line will come. From there we find out any point on that line and see that once, that is when the angle of incidence, maybe we choose 45, then angle of reflection is also 45 degree. So is it clear? Now come to this is the method you will get in your study material, and precaution also you will get. Next you have to write the precaution. This is our practical work, the first practical work, we have to do it. Okay, and what is your work? You complete it in your practical copy. Don't write the date, only you write other things except of the date. Okay, today this much.